What is up with these shoes, by the way, babe? Do you guys love them, hate them? Like, I would never buy these shoes. But I'll thrift flip a pair. Let's get it.
These are Loewe Flamingo Wedge boots for $1,950. We're going to thrift flip a pair in black because they're actually sold out on the Loewe site. So somebody must love them. I thrifted a pair of faux leather pants and I cut the pant leg off high on the thigh area. I'm going to use the widest part to glue to a pair of shoes. When I analyzed the Loewe boot, it looked like a covered shoe. So I'm just going to do the same thing. I'm going to use these really cute lug boots that I sell on my site because they're really lightweight and they have a big lug sole. They're made of a faux suede, so this faux leather is going to glue to them perfectly. After I cut the pieces to cover my boots, I cut strips to create cording so that I can use it as trim and to tie the boots. Then I sewed a casing for each boot for my drawstring. Then I added the boot cover by putting glue on the top area of the boot. I cut away the excess above the sole and I added corded trim. This is how we're looking so far. We're going to add the drawstring and then try them on.
I ran up a check, I might do it again. Enemies close, had me thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, you're